Introducing DFL-200 from Cerakote, a modern evolution in dry film lubricants. Engineered for extreme durability and low friction performance in high wear environments, DFL-200 is a ceramic-based PFAS-free coating that is over 40% slicker than Teflon 303. It is an easy-to-apply, fast-curing, direct-to-substrate coating. No primer or top coat is needed. It is ideal for defense and firearms, aerospace and automotive applications, industrial applications, fasteners and hardware, and any tight tolerance parts where friction is a concern. To successfully apply Cerakote DFL-200, you will need to properly prep and degrease your parts. Part preparation for DFL-200 will follow the same procedure as found in the H and Elite Series training manual. You'll find a link to the training manual in the description below. Before applying DFL-200, we recommend outgassing metal parts. Outgassing will evaporate any moisture or solvents from the degreasing phase and will draw out any trapped oils or contaminants. We recommend that metal parts are placed in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. If there are any indications of contamination after outgassing, part preparation must be repeated. Agitate coating until the coating is completely mixed and no solids remain in the bottom of the container. We recommend using a paint shaker for pints, quarts, and gallons. Utilizing F100 catalyst, mix at a 9:1 ratio. Using a 325 mesh strainer, filter the coating into the spray gun cup. Blow off the parts with a high-pressure air nozzle to remove any blast media or dust from the surface. For best application results, we recommend the Iwata LPH80 with a 0.8 mm needle and nozzle. Set the spray gun pressure to 30 psi. Start application on the hardest to reach areas of the part first, then move on to the easier areas. Using a small spray pattern will aid in coating hard to reach spots. For general application, adjust your spray pattern to a 2 to 3 inch wide oval when spraying from a distance of 3 to 5 inches from the part. Apply 3 to 6 coats to achieve a film thickness of 0.25 to 0.75 mils. Allow coated parts to ambient flash for a minimum of 15 minutes and no longer than 2 hours before placing them into the oven to cure. Curing is complete after just 15 minutes after the parts reach 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Fully cured parts may have a slick film on the surface. This is normal. When spraying is complete, thoroughly clean tools and equipment with acetone. For any questions regarding application, please contact our technical support team at technicalsupport@cerakote.com.